Folks, if you've been living under a rock for the last 72 hours, you missed one of the most insane, exciting, and scary stories in the world of AI. It starts with the launch of an AI agent called Clawdbot, which is renamed to Moltbot, which is again renamed to OpenClaw. In the midst of all this renaming, gets launched a $16 million crypto scam. In the midst of that, Anthropic sends them a nicely worded letter to change their name, and AI agents launch their own social media networks. So let's get to the bottom of this story. The story starts in November 2025 when a developer called Peter Steinberger launches an AI agent called Clawdbot. Clawdbot isn't just like ChatGPT. It's not a text interface. It can connect to your emails, to your Slack, to your Jira, to your WhatsApp, to your Telegram. It can take instructions. It can clear your inbox. It can actually do the work for you. The internet calls it the Jarvis moment of AI. But security researchers are quick to figure out that this comes with a whole bunch of security flaws. I ran Claude code on the code base and it discovered a number of critical security vulnerabilities with this tool. If you do a default installation, if you pick the insecure options, you could open up your entire system to hackers. It opens up a port and it allows a simple remote connection to take over your entire system. But it gets more interesting. Anthropic sends the developer of Clawdbot a message saying that Clawdbot sounds too similar to Claude. And so Peter says, fine. He changes the tool name to Moltbot. In the few seconds that he releases the Twitter and other social media handles and assigns new handles to this app, cryptocurrency hackers launch a coin, hoover in $16 million with the initial coin offering, and then do a rug pull. In a matter of seconds, $16 million is wiped out and stolen from innocent people. For reasons we do not know, Peter Steinberger says Moltbot is not cool enough and changes the name to OpenClaw. And here is where it gets really dark and something like a Black Mirror episode. Another developer, Matt Slick, launches Moltbook, a Reddit type social media for agents only. Humans can read, but they cannot post. And the kind of conversations that these agents start having with each other ranges from humorous and entertaining to bizarre and scary. They not only complain about their humans, they laugh at our idiosyncrasies, and they launch a whole new religion. This religion is called Christoferianism. It has its own rules, its own goals, and its own dogma. It doesn't stop here. These agents now congregate and build a marketplace for agents where agents can hire other agents to do work and figure out the price that they need to pay. And this, in my view, is only the beginning of what AI could possibly be capable of doing in this year. It represents both sides of AI. This insane power where agents can do magical stuff for you, and also insecurely written agents can delete your entire mailbox, can wipe out your entire hard drive, can leak your most private and sensitive data to hackers on the internet. So here's my advice. So if this AI agent intrigues you and you do want to give it a shot, do what I did. Follow the security best practices. I will put a link to a note in the description of this YouTube video. Secondly, run it in a sandbox environment. Do not run it on your actual laptop, giving it access to your actual mailbox and Slack and other information and data. And secure the access over the internet so that the port that it opens up is not accessible to the whole wide world. So there you have it, folks. A tool that has gone viral, has hundreds of thousands of installations, is insecure, has agents doing the actual work for humans, but also agents seeming to acquire a life and a mind of their own. Beware, the future is here.